Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get good at sumo duels. First, let's master basic movement. Your character's weight and momentum are crucial. Understanding them helps you move effectively. Practice precise directional control to stay on the platform, especially near the edges. Learning to quickly recover from an opponent's push and maintaining your balance is key to survival. Focus on these fundamentals for a strong start in every duel. Now, let's dive into mastering offensive tactics. Employ quick, decisive shoves to disrupt your opponent's balance and positioning, creating openings. Always aim to push your rivals towards the edges of the arena, as this significantly increases your chances of knocking them off. Combining fluid movement with your attacks makes your pushes unpredictable and far more powerful, giving you a significant advantage in every engagement. Next, let's focus on strong defensive play. Anticipating your opponent's moves is crucial. Learn to block or dodge incoming attacks effectively. Strive to maintain a central position on the platform, as this minimizes your vulnerability to being pushed off the edges. Utilize your character's inherent weight to absorb impacts and resist being moved, turning their offensive efforts into your defensive strength. Finally, let's explore advanced techniques and the winning mindset. Master sophisticated moves such as counter shoves and quick turns to surprise your opponents. Pay close attention to their patterns. Predicting their next move allows you to react effectively and gain an advantage. Most importantly, stay calm under pressure and be ready to adapt your strategy throughout the duel, ensuring consistent victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.